Namaste. I'm Neeraja from Telangana, Hyderabad. I really thank the universe for choosing me, these divine souls, putting all together in this group. We had a wonderful time with our angel, Sweta ma'am, who is really a wonderful. Each and every second what we have spent with her in this workshop was worth. God bless her abundantly. She is such a dedicated person. Whoever is coming across with Hooponopono, please pick it up and move on. It's a wonderful gift given by the universe to meet this beautiful angel who is there who is readily helping each and every person with so many queries, with lots of patience. Do not miss this opportunity. Thank you. Namaste.